Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to delete or deactivate your TikTok account step by step. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Account. Next, select Deactivate or Delete Account. Choose Deactivate if you want a temporary break, or Delete Account if you want to permanently remove it. Follow the on-screen steps to verify your account. If you choose Delete, your account will be deactivated for 30 days before being permanently removed. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more TikTok tips.